Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the program scan cycle. Now in today's lecture we will discuss the various instruction used for programming the PLC. So their instructions are classified into various types, but we are going concentrate on the relay type instructions. These are the instructions most commonly used for the ladder logic programming. Now what are these relay type instructions? The ladder diagram language is basically a symbolic set of instruction used to create controller program. Okay, so all over the world most commonly used programming language for PLC is the ladder diagram, and it is a symbolic set of instruction. These ladder instruction symbols are arranged to obtain the desired control logic that is to be entered into the memory of PLC. So what you are going to do? We are going to just combine the instructions in a logical manner. यामध्ये काय करतो आपण की काही इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स असतील त्या लॉजिकल मॅनरमध्ये अरेंज करतो सो दॅट मला जे काही रिक्वायर्ड आउटपुट आहे ते मिळालं पाहिजे. ओके, सो टू ॲट द डिझायर्ड कंट्रोल लॉजिक enter into the memory of the PLC. Representation of the contacts and coils are the basic symbols of the logic ladder diagram instruction set. So what are the basic symbols here? We are going to use the symbols of contact and you are going to use the symbol of coil. So there are two types of contacts which are commonly used, NO contact and NC contact. NO is called as normally open contact and NC is called as normally closed contact. Okay, so basically there are three main types of instruction in the relay type, that is NO type, NC type and coil. The three fundamental symbols that are used to translate relay control logic to control symbolic logics are examine if close. This is called as examine if close, that is your NO. Okay, normally open type. Examine if open, this is called as XIO, that is your commonly you can say that is a NC, and output energize, that is called as OT. Okay, so these are the three main things which are used in each and every ladder program, okay, or ladder language program. Each of these instructions relate to the single bit of PLC memory that is specified by the instruction address. All these instructions, that is XIC, XIO, OT, all these are single bit instruction, means they required only a single bit. Their value may be 0 or their value may be 1. PLC memory specified by the instruction address. Now PLC program execution. Now first we will discuss about the examine if open. The symbol used for examine if open XIC instruction is this one. Okay, so it is simply, you can say, a contact, NO contact type. Okay, so this is the symbol used for examine if close. Okay, so examine if close means what? Normally it is open. Okay, so when this switch is pressed, at that time it is going to be closed. So this instruction will check when it is going to be closed, and that's why it is called as examine if closed. Okay, so during PLC scan cycle, it is always checking the status of this same symbol, that when it is going to be closed, then only the memory table is going to be updated, input image table is going to be updated. So that's why it is called as examine if closed. The XIC instruction, which is called as examine on instruction, looks and operates like normally open relay contact. Okay, so if you are going to see, it looks similar to the normally open contact, NO contact. Okay, associated with each XIC instruction is a memory bit linked to the status of input devices or internal logic condition of the rung. Okay, now this XIC instruction, examine if close instruction, is a single bit and it is related to the status of input device. Okay, say I have connected a temperature sensor or I have connected a limit switch. Okay, so it will tell me the position, whether the limit switch is activated or not activated. If I have use a switch, the switch is on or off, so it will always check the status in the internal memory condition of the rung. The instruction asks the PLC processor to examine if the contact is closed. Okay, and this instruction asks the processor of your PLC that whether the contact is closed or not, and its value is updated when the contact is closed. Its value becomes 1 when the contact is closed. It does this by examining a bit at the memory location specified by the address in the following manner. Okay, so just we can say that now this is my input image table. Okay, this is my input module. To this input module I have connected a input device. Here the device which I have used over here is the switch. Okay, now when this switch is pressed, the value of this particular input, this is I4, I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, or this say I0, I1, I2, I3 and I4. Okay, so this is the input number 4 to which I have connected the input device as a switch. Now when this input device is press over here, so its value becomes 1. So input image table related to this memory bit or input 4 is going to be updated as 1. Okay, so this instruction is interpreted as true. This green color on both sides says that this particular input device or this particular symbol for this XIC is going now energized. In the second case, again this is the same case over here. I have connected the input devices to the input 4 of my input module. Okay, so I 1 plus 4. Now this device or this input device is not activated. It is not pressed. So its value is 0 over here. So this is the input image table. Okay, so input image table value is going to be updated when that particular device is going to be on and off. Now here, this is the syntax of writing the input state for that in the ladder diagram. Okay, now this will vary from PLC to PLC. For Siemens PLC we are going to use I0, I1, I2, I3. For Allen Bradley we are going to use I:1 slash something. Okay, so this depends on your how many inputs are there. This is the first input module and fourth number of input I:1 slash 04 1 slash 4. That indicates this is input module 1 with the input number 4 to which I have connected the device. Okay, now in this, so is it clear? In XIC instruction we are going to check the status that when it is pressed its value is going to be changed. Second is the XIO, the symbol for examine if open. In examine if open symbol is what? This. Okay, it's similar to the NC contact. This asks the processor to check the status if it is open. Okay, the XIO instruction, which is called the examine of instruction, looks and operates like the normally closed relay contact. Okay, so normally closed relay contacts means off push button. So associated with each XIO instruction is a memory bit linked to the status of input device or internal logical condition of the rung. So with this instruction XIO, we are related one memory bit, okay, which will store the status of that input device into the internal memory location. The instruction asks the PLC processor to examine if the contact is open or not. Okay, this instruction will continuously ask the processor whether the contact